Hey everybody, it's Larry up here at the high school. Today's November 14th. Underneath the soffit of the cafeteria, all framed in, waiting for the panels. Let's go inside the school now. And what we'll do, to my left, we have the gym. Plywood's being placed on the floor. Work is ongoing. Ahead we have the hardwoods. So it's looking good. Hope to have the floor by the 1st of December. We're scheduled to anyway. And we're gonna come out the door here. So the gym is well on its way. Quick wrap around. So we're good there. Yeah, coming through the doors. There's the change rooms in here. Just want to show everybody what we need to do in the change rooms. Let's go have a look. So the change rooms are pretty well done. As you can see, we need seating here, so when the gym opens up, we'll have the students will have a place to sit in the change rooms. Second floor is pretty well done, so won't bother going up there. So we'll come down the main floor. Fire verification well on its way, hopefully be done soon. And here's the dance room in here. Have a quick look. Plywood going in there.
2 minutes, almost 2 minutes heading up now.
Right now I'm following the plumbers. busy couple. There's a chapel. Let's have a look at the chapel. Its flooring's coming next week. It's pretty well complete. Guys did a good job on the chapel. So it's all painted up. So it's good. So that's it for the chapel. Head back out. And we're going down the main hall again. We're heading west. I think the theater's in here. Let's go through the theater. It's pretty dark in here. Guys are still working. It's more of a sheet of material here. And there we are. A lot of work to do in the theater anyway. Go back out. Then go across to the kitchen. Go up to the kitchen. Plumbers are in here. Got it all plumbed in. So it should be, equipment should be well on its way. I'm putting it together now, I guess. Where's the kitchen? Let's go back out of the hallway. Okay, that's about it. I just want to see if these toilet partitions are installed. Washroom here. Let's have a quick look in here. So that's good. Toilet partitions are all installed. So we're looking good here. Won't be much longer now. Okay, heading out the door now. So come back a couple weeks. Come back next week. See how far we've come. But so far progress is great, and we anticipate to be pretty well complete by the 1st of December. Okay, bye for now.